Aloha, everyone. I'm Rick Kirkham of InHomeComputerHelp.com. Anyway, today I'm going to show you how to colorize your labels in your Gmail. So let's just get right into that, and let's see if this will let me. Yeah, there we go. So, senior computer lesson: how to add color to Gmail labels. What's the difference between folders and labels? They're basically the same thing, except you can add more than one label to an email. Now, that could come in handy if you don't want to move your email into a folder and just have two different labels where you can do a search. Okay, why colorize labels? To make important labels stand out. How do I make labels? Let me get in here so you can see my face. Sorry. I've already done a video on that, so I'm going to refer you to the previous video so you don't have to watch through that whole process. You can just look for the other video and have fun with that video also. Okay, let's get started. Place your mouse cursor over the label you want to colorize and look for the three dots. Now, these three dots that you see right now, I'm not a fan of them. You know, I do senior computer tutoring in home here in Honolulu, Hawaii, covering all of Oahu and remotely for the English-speaking United States. But I'm not a fan of the three dots because they're not explained. We're just supposed to intrinsically know ... means menu. But here's a way to remember it. So when you're reading a book and you see ... that means continue or there's more, right? Okay, so now just look at it like when you see ... on a web page, that means there's more. So in this case, there's a menu. All right, so left mouse click on the three dots on your label. And that will take you to label color. And then from there, you choose a color. Okay, and that will give you that color right there like that in your label, whatever you used. In my case, it was a to-do label. I used the number 2, so that would be on top, one of the higher labels in Gmail. Okay, how do you add a label to an email without moving the email? Okay, I did not cover that in the last video, by the way. So first off, when you use the checkbox method, you can select multiple emails. And you can also add a label with the email open. Okay, part 2, how to add a label without moving the email. So first off, remember to check the box, and then you're going to check. You see where the circle is here? Okay, that's the label right there. That's your label icon. I know I'm going to mention this later, but in another video, I'm going to show you how to take all of these icons and turn them into text. Make your life a little bit easier. Okay, so there's the to-do. So click on your label. Just click right inside that checkbox, and after you do that, and that's a little low there. Whoop, get back there. Right down there below that, it says apply. So make sure that you click on apply. Okay, and after you do that, you notice here, there's the inbox, and there's my green to-do label. Now, usually, just a little computer tip for you, when you place your mouse cursor over an icon, that will tell you what it does. So if you look up on top there, you notice it says labels when I captured that image after putting my mouse over that label, over that icon. Okay, to remove a label, using the checkbox method, once again, you could select multiple emails. You can also do it with the email open. Okay, so when you do it with the checkbox method, you just do the opposite of what you just did. So uncheck the box and then click on apply. The green to-do label is now gone. You can look right up on top there. To remove a label when the email is open, the explanation may or may not sound a little more complicated, but it's really not. Just X to exit. That's one of the little tips that I use when I'm tutoring. Okay, so click on the X to basically exit the label. And now it's gone. So you no longer have a to-do label on there. Okay, and that's it. You may now color code your important emails and labels. And of course, contact me for lessons and for troubleshooting, both here in Honolulu, Hawaii, covering all of Oahu, and remotely for the English-speaking United States. And I guess that's it. So feel free to play this back in case you missed something. Of course, you're also welcome to email me and text me with questions. And I'm going to be honest with you about that. I feel that questions could lead to appointments, which lead to me helping people and being able to pay my rent at the same time. So that's it for today. God bless you. Have a great day.